Before this video starts, I'd like to mention that we're playing an unfinished co-op game mode in The Binding of Isaac Repentance, which can be accessed by the commands. I'm warning you though, as it feels like you're playing on ice the whole time. Also, my audio is a bit fucky-wuckied, so I tried my best to fix it. Enjoy.
Ooh, alright, now let's see if using this command breaks it. Oh.
Bones first.
Oh.
Bones. Bones. Oh god, your bones!
Don't pick that up.
I think that would be quite interesting.
But every 60 seconds, a mom's foot crashes?
Shut up! You're literally... Your bones.
Shut up.
Alright, bones. Let's kill this
Oh
guy.
god. Kill her. Kill it quickly. Kill it quick. Owie.
Oh, this is impossible with the fucking ice.
It's really not that bad.
No,
but okay.
kill yourself. I'm not gonna be able to play this game normally ever again. I'm gonna pretend like it's ice the whole time. Oh my gosh!
Ow.
Oh my eyes, you know. God,
Good,
I
okay.
can't. This is too stressful.
Oh, wait,
Oh.
what?
Oh, so I think it's actually... No, that's how it's supposed to go. So one person gets item room items, and then both people get boss room items.
Oh.
Well, alright, we're gonna do that from now on then.
Well, we got a free item.
We just get
we'll
two
take it.
bones then.
Oh, what? Okay, here, let's try this then. I think... Oh no, you can't continue... Bruh.
You idiot! Bones! Bones!
Shut up, man.
we lost Bone. I'm gonna get the key.
Oh my god, Landon.
The hardest part about this boss fight is those two guys. Those two fuckers.
Oh.
What the hell? Wait, why did he...
Actually, you should take it. You have luck.
Oh, yes. I have now lodged the bar of iron into my skull, which gives me more damage when I cry.
It makes other people
Jump.
concussed.
Okay, I need to jump. Oh, yeah. Jump! Jump! Wow! Fuck me! Stop looking so disappointed. Like, look,
Wait, you have an eye patch and then your other eye.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure. Thanks, game.
Shut
Thank
speed
you.
up. And that's
Thanks,
when we don't
game.
take any more pills for the rest of the run. Justice or no? Where are we going in here? What's the purpose of going
Oh
in here?
no. I just felt like it, okay? Shut up.
Like, what are we doing here? Oh,
That's why.
Kill yourself.
No! You can zoom across the floor.
Oh, shit! Shut! Oh! You punched him into me! You...
Just plain better.
So wait,
You're so greedy.
The stopwatch? Jump. Fucking cum
You know what? We have enough bombs. We could just do this. Like,
I'm not very good at jumping, apparently. Shit! Because you can't trust me with simple jumping. Just as I hate you.
okay. Sorry, it spawned 2 pooters.
So bad. We're not gonna talk about both of us almost ran into that.
Because it blocks shots.
Oh my god, I'm just actually better. Ow! Oh,
Says-
hey. Hey, get back there. Go back there. Go back there.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, that's just on purpose. You actual... Watch this. Oh, fuck!
Oh my god, You're actually throwing.
Guacoma. Who wants
that's-
guacoma?
take
Reroll
it.
that sucker. What the hell? Guacoma?
Nah.
You're accepting that you want guacoma. First bones, now guacoma. Oh fuck!
You almost went full bore into a fire. Jesus.
Joker.
Ooh, Joker card.
This is an ID card.
I'm actually...
What the hell is this arcade?
I don't know, but I like it.
This is not an arcade that I'm used to. This doesn't look like Dave and Buster's.
You know, like, Octomom?
Yes. What the f... That's disgusting.
Babies!
That's disgusting. You're throwing babies at her.
Babies!
Stop with the babies.
I just
Can you
love how I
stop sending your
suddenly
children out?
I just
Like,
love how I become like a
keep them
baby
inside your womb,
machine
damn
gun.
it. Literally everyone acting chill until you bust out the baby machine gun.
And that, kids, is how I met your mother.
You're just
I didn't
one
have
of
time.
many in the baby machine gun. I'm not gonna ask how the biology of a kidney stone
Don't question it.
children.
See, this is just because Isaac, you know, this is all Isaac's
Yeah.
imagination. He just, you know, he never grew up old enough to take a health class.
And then he died. Oh, alright, baby machine gun. Activate.
Ah.
I don't even have to do anything. Oh my god, I wasn't... Apparently I do have to do something.
No, I guess you could take your how to jump back.
Yeah, but I'll take damage again.
No, you won't.
I will. Okay, here we go.
Just tap it, really. Actually, you should probably use your guppy one more time. We're not gonna get another devil deal.
Here. No, here. Actually, big brain plant.
Why? You just wasted a soul heart!
Fuck! I just realized.
Why?
I didn't do the math.
Clearly.
I'm still in first grade math. If you didn't know.
Oh my god.
I might have failed the first grade in math, but at least I still know that 77 plus 33 equals 100.
I hate you.
Alright, Isaac. You might
Oh
not
my
be
god!
ready for babies!
Baby! Imagine being a monster. Like death, you know, literally death himself. And then you turn a corner and just some kid just erupts 40 babies from his chest. Abel was about to I mean, it's fine, but like... Oh my god.
Oh gosh! We entered into the Discord mod
It's
dimension.
Weight Watchers! Weight Watchers
Discord mod
Anonymous!
dimension. Oh my god, we took out all the Discord moderators. Oh, more Discord mods! Oh, I can become a Discord mod! Let me become a Discord mod, please.
Wait, what?
Let me become a Discord mod. You cannot stop this.
Oh! Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Oh god, it looks so gross.
Let's go. I have like a belly coming out.
And he's dead.
There's me and my mom and my dad. There's me in a girl's outfit because I'm a bitch!